Hi! In front of me is Realme 8i, and today I would like to show you how you can check phone specifications on this device. Start by accessing Play Store. Now tap on the search bar. Make sure that you have apps over here. And then click on the search bar and type DevCheck. Okay, sorry, DevCheck, click on this app and download it. Then you need to tap on Open. From this app you can find out all the informations about your Realme's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!